Hello everyone and welcome to HH Beauty Garden. If you're passionate about plants or just love the idea of growing your own roses, you're in the right place. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share this video with fellow plant lovers. Your support helps our community grow. The magic of rose propagation. Take a look at this gorgeous rose. Wouldn't you love to grow one just like it at home? In today's step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to easily propagate roses using natural materials you probably already have in your kitchen. Let's get started. Step-by-step rose. Propagation. Step 1. Prepare your rose. Stem first, cut a rose stem, approximately 15 cm in length. Carefully remove all the lower leaves. This allows the plant to focus its energy on developing roots. Step 2. Apply natural rooting hormone. Next, we'll use aloe vera as a natural rooting hormone. Rub the cut end of the rose stem into a freshly sliced aloe vera leaf. Aloe vera contains enzymes and plant hormones that support root development and protect against fungi. Step 3. Create a natural root boosting solution. Now, let's create a powerful root boosting solution. Prepare 5 spoons of rice, and next time you enjoy a fresh orange, don't throw away the peel just yet. What seems like simple kitchen waste is actually a fantastic natural aid for plant propagation. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use orange peel to help your cuttings root faster and healthier. Add chopped orange peel for its citric acid and vitamins, which help prevent rot and promote root health. Add 350 milliliters of filtered water and stir well. Combining nutritious rice water with orange peels that have natural antibacterial properties helps rose branches to quickly root, grow healthy, and effectively prevent root rot. Let the stem soak in this mixture for about 10 minutes. Step 4. Prepare a natural disinfectant. Finally, chop the remaining aloe vera and crush 2 cloves of garlic. Garlic acts as a natural disinfectant, preventing bacterial infections. Mix them into 100 milliliters of water. Step 5. Set up your growing medium. I use a simple but effective growing medium, toilet paper. Start by taking a thin layer and gently wrapping it around the base of the rose cutting. After soaking the natural rooting solution for 10 minutes, strain out the remaining solids. Wet the toilet paper with the filtered rice water mixture. Cut a hole in the center of a cup and place the rose stem in. Cover the cup containing the rose cutting with another cup to create a sealed environment. Keep the setup in a shaded, well-ventilated area, avoiding direct sunlight. Witness the magic. Within just a few days, magic starts to happen. Just 5 days later, new roots and shoots began to appear, clear signs of healthy propagation. With proper care, this rose cutting will soon be ready to plant in soil. Happy gardening! I hope you enjoyed this simple and natural method of rose propagation. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more plant care tips and DIY gardening ideas. Let us know in the comments which country you're watching from. I love connecting with plant lovers around the world. Until next time, happy gardening and see you in the next video.